don't have to have clouds to have a successful galaxy pour. No clouds, no problem. We're taking some things outside of the box. Everyone is enjoying these gorgeous cloud pours that our lovely friends, including myself, are doing. You have Willie B, Sarah Matt, but what if you don't want clouds? Okay, so we're gonna try something a little different today. This is the pouring from coast to coast collab. Welcome. Okay, we like to serenade you all for about an hour every other Friday. Here we go, baby. Let's do it. Welcome to the Feel Good Pouring Station. And friends, don't forget to check out Chris, Meta, Britta, and Tara. We have become a little community or family, if you will, of ourselves, and we enjoy bringing you the live chats on every other Friday. I just had to shout them out because I think they are all amazing people. We support each other, and I just love hanging out with my peeps. Also, just a couple things. I wanted you to enjoy the painting and the music, but with my white. So I did not thin it with my satin enamels or the what's the product everyone's using right now? Um, the Pearl Medium by Vallejo. I strictly use my titanium white so it matched the other consistencies of my paint. Also, to avoid clouds, I made sure that I did not pair it beside a metallic. You know, a lot of times we'll use our 24 karat gold, which will also help with the densities or the change in densities amongst our paints. So I didn't do that this time. The teal color that you see, light teal, that is a satin enamel, and you can see where some clouding effects kind of took place. That was a little bit of an experiment, kind of not, but just wanted to share that information. I always try to share at least one tip in the majority of my videos. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, here we are. Look there. It is definitely 3D in my opinion. I love all of the colors. I got to use a lot of leftover paint that I had. I like that big block of that Payne's Gray. And I want you to remember, family, do every single thing with love. Treat your friends, your family, and even your enemies with love. I will see you in another video very soon. Peace.